We're gonna have that conversation here again. And not everything you for fight physically. Look on the savage situation.
Well, I can thank you for that. If not gonna ever see the light of day ever again.
And if me never intervene, you'd have probably use Mulling's wife or the boy with name Zero. Oh, I don't understand, Tony. How you for put your faith in somebody like that?
Miranda, I love chaos.
So now, you have to start listening to the voice of reason. Savage is rotting in a Mexican prison right now because we played chess, not checkers.
Hey, you're cool, you know. You play the whole baby mother drama with the man and make him believe. I'm glad I'm on your side.
Don't know say we're the master of manipulation already, Tony. So our next move, Mullings.
I'm so happy to hear you say that. I'm for dead.
Tony, take it down a notch. Remember, chess, not checkers. So hear me out. This is what I'm planning.
Whisper, they are moving now. You ready?
Yeah, man.
Brilliant. Just brilliant. We can work with that.
So for now, nobody knows the thing they might come in on a cruise ship. We could keep it that way. We could meet once a week, write it so, and iron out the details.
Alright. I may have my link over so we send off the casket them every 2 weeks.
And you sure so that girl is somebody I can trust, right?
Yeah man, I like her in with a luxury lifestyle.
Good. Alright, so that's that sounds nice. Just work out the thing you don't have, Tony. And get them people there, them guns. I don't want them come after you.
I don't want that either. Because I don't want to start World War III. I give you my word.
One white cranberry, man. We're not hungry. We don't want something to eat.
We're not really ready for it.
I'll order when he's ordering.
Alright, ma'am. And sir.
Then them really imply she.
Come on, Tony, it's a trainee, remember? It's our first day. Come and talk to me.
She look familiar to me.
I want the button here look for you to start. With a long piece of stick in our way.
Listen, little girl. I will tell me to take on clot, you know.
What ya? Clap who?
Clap me? Alright.
Clap me now? Clap me. Alright.
How she got? Oh, you pray.
Yo, how you do?
You know you man say ma clap me.
Clot your fat, eh?
Young lady, calm yourself. You know she's saying blind?
But say I clap him today him start sing.
How she there?
You just tell us that you're a hard trainee and this is your first day. You don't want to lose this. Longer do you work and the big man.
Alright. Thank you, ma'am.
Run. What I see? You can't wait for you.
I could left you, sir.
Oh, you get paranoid again?
Big sis. It's not about paranoia. You just don't feel comfortable. So I could lift clutch.
Look at little girl nearly mash up me there, man. I should have You know what? Let me enjoy the sea breeze. It feel nice. Blow, breeze, blow.
Me I go for my lunch break now, yeah? Bug planted successfully.
Now, we could go pick up Whisper up the road.
Job complete, boss.
We're proud of you, you know.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's a pleasure doing business, you don't know.
To want to feel my idiot. The blind man and the country girl. That was